Hi, welcome back to Do It Your Damn Self. There was a break in the water line outside, and when they got through with it, some brown water ended up in my sink in the kitchen. So I want to take the opportunity to clean out my hot water heater here. Some sediment gets in the bottom of it, and plus some dirt may have got in the main line out there, and it's time to drain it. It's really easy. All it takes is a garden hose and a straight line to the outside. You're going to turn the power off for the water heater. Make sure you do that because it will break the elements if not. So I'll show you what we do. Alright, so this is for electric water heaters. The gas ones don't really need it as much, but these do need to be cleaned out. I'd say once a year would be good. I have been letting it go for a little while, but now it's time to do it. So all you need to do, run a garden hose out to the outside and turn this right here. But if it turns easily, and this will drain to the outside. Alright, so this is what comes out of it. It looks like sand. It's just hard water deposits that build up on the heating elements. Do this every 6 months to a year, and you should never have any problems with this sort of thing in your water heater. It's easy to set up, easy to turn on and turn off. And it's quick too. If you wait too long, it could clog up in there. You'll have to run something up through the opening to get it to empty out like this. So do this 6 months to a year. You won't have any problems with that.